In this video, we're going to be going over the PuroAir HEPA 14 air purifier. Later on in the video, I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this air purifier and whether or not if I recommend this air purifier to you. The unboxing process was straightforward. I had absolutely no issues. Right when you go to unbox the product, there's a manual on the top. And once you get the air purifier unboxed and unwrapped, you can actually see that there is a sticker on top of the air purifier just notifying you that you need to take the unit apart to be able to take out the HEPA 14 certified filter to then unwrap the plastic around it so you can actually use the air purifier. All you have to do to accomplish this is to tip the unit over on its side and rotate the base counterclockwise. It's kind of like a cap. You just twist counterclockwise and then the base comes off, exposing the HEPA 14 filter. So you can then take it out and take the plastic off. Reverse that process once you take the plastic off the HEPA 14 filter and put the filter back into the unit. Screw clockwise to put the cap back on, and then you can tip the unit back upright to be able to then turn it on. So right here we have the on-off button. We have the air quality indicator, auto mode, and manual mode. This actually switches over to a manual mode, manual speed 1, manual speed 2, manual speed 3, sleep mode. Hold to lock. Lock symbol illuminates. Hold again. Unlock. Timer goes from 2 hours to 8 hours. Replace filter light and reset. In order to replace the filter, tip it over on its side. That exposes the bottom. Counterclockwise twist on the bottom. Exposes the filter. You got a pre-filter on the outer edge. You have the HEPA filter, and this is a HEPA 14 filter, not a HEPA 13 filter. That just means better particulate filtration. On the inside, you have what looks like activated carbon granules, aka pellets. So that's pretty cool as well, because pellets do cover more surface area when filtering out volatile organic compounds and gas-like odors. If you want to put the filter back in, tip the filter back over on its side. Make sure the orientation, this side facing up. Put it in the unit. Place the cap back on and twist clockwise. So what are my overall thoughts and opinions on the PuroAir H14 HEPA certified air purifier? If you need smaller particulate filtration than what a H13 can offer for whatever reason, then yes, absolutely, this air purifier is 100% for you. However, if it were me personally, I would much rather prioritize CFM and go one step up to a 250 CFM unit with only an H13 filter. Because what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to move more air on a lower manual speed setting, which means less noise. And for me personally, I don't think that there's going to be that much of a difference going from an H13 to an H14 when it comes to filtering out your basic mold, pollen, and dust.